welcome back to our channel. And again, this is Lorie. And in today's video, we will be interviewing these beautiful Filipinas. We will find out what do they think about Americans. So we have here Sheila and Grizel. Okay, let's start with Sheila. Sheila, what do you think about Americans?
I think American is kind and handsome, Tapos
Kind and handsome. And what else?
no,
Are they loving person?
maybe.
Maybe. Okay. Sheila, are you single?
Yes.
Okay, so Sheila is single, and are you? I mean, would you ever date a foreigner?
Yes.
Wow. So yes, guys.
Nice.
Sheila, how old are you again?
20. 20.
20 years old, and I asked her earlier if she's still studying, and Sheila said yes, and she's taking
Education.
education. So Sheila is gonna be a teacher. So good luck, Sheila. Thank you. And here we have Crizel. Okay, Crizel, what do you think about Americans?
They are nice and they are formal when it comes to their styles.
That's right. That's true. And are you single?
Yes.
Okay, so Crizel is single. And how old are you again, Crizel?
19 years old.
19. And are you still studying?
Yes po.
Just like Sheila. Also, your classmates.
No po.
No, what course are you taking?
BS Ed Math Education.
Education, but a major in mathematics. Wow, you must be really good. Sheila, this Crystal must be really good, right? In math? Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, 100%. So Sheila and Crystal are still studying right now, but just like what they mentioned, they're willing to date, or yeah, they would date a foreigner. Wow, that's very nice. Actually, in addition, foreigners are also, what do you call this? Like they, most of them, they have big heart, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Agree.
Do you agree too?
Yes.
Okay. Jonah, what do you think about Americans?
I think about American is most of them is um, millennials.
Millennials.
Yes,
Mhm.
and probably they are they are
Are they kind?
yes because I have a cousin from American.
Oh, really?
Mm-mm. She's
Wow.
a kind person,
Oh,
helpful,
that's very
and
good.
she's not selfish.
Wow.
And she like travels, adventures,
That's very nice. Is she half Filipino?
half.
Half Filipino and half American.
Mm.
Wow. So you met foreigners before, like Americans.
Yes, I met some of Americans visit in our barangay.
Wow, that's very nice.
Full Americans and some of them is half.
Half. And they're very nice, very
Yes.
kind. How about the appearance?
Um they are beautiful
Hmm.
and tall
Yes.
with white hair and smooth skin.
Wow. Yes. So, are you single, Jonah?
I'm committed.
You're committed. You have a boyfriend?
Yes.
Oh, okay. But this is just like a question for the interview. If ever, if ever, like, let's say you are not single, right? Would you ever date a foreigner
If I ever meet someday,
someday?
yes, because in my course, I actually want to travel, and if ever I meet some foreigner, if ever,
That's very nice. Oh, what course are you taking?
hospitality management,
Hospitality management. Wow. And what year are you now?
second year.
Second year college. Oh, so next year third year. 2 more years, right? And you will graduate. That's very nice. Now we have, what's your name again?
Marian.
Marian. Wow, we have a very beautiful Filipina right here. Her name is Marian. What do you think about Americans?
Not all Americans po is mabubuti po. May mga American po na yung iba po mabubuti, ganun po.
So what Marian said is not all Americans are kind, just like Filipinos, right?
Yes po.
Yes, it really depends to the person. Not everyone is kind, not everyone is, bad. Yes. And are you single? Oh, you are not. You have a boyfriend.
Girlfriend po.
Oh, you have a girlfriend. Oh. Okay, so Marian has a girlfriend. Okay, Marian. So, okay, let's say Marian. Okay, let's say this is just for the interview. Are you what do you call these? Are you? Would you like to like? How do you say that in English? I mean, would you ever date a foreigner? Let's say in the future, would you ever date a foreigner? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why?
Hindi ko po nakikita yung sarili kong mag,
Magka
yes po.
with a relationship with a foreigner. Okay, so what Marian said is she couldn't see herself with having a relationship with a foreigner. Maybe I think you'll change your mind in the future. They're very nice. Yes, I'm married to a foreigner. Yes, my husband is American. He's very nice. Just a reminder, guys. Most of the Filipinas here in the province are shy. Most of them, but here, let's start with her. What's her name again?
I'm Sarina.
Serena. Beautiful name. And how old are
Thank
you?
you. I'm 21 years old.
21. And you're still studying in college, right?
Yes, third year
What's the course?
Bachelor of Science Economics.
Wow. Okay, so my first question is, would you date a foreigner?
Yes, if I have a chance.
Why?
Um if I have a chance to date a foreigner, I think it's a chance because for experience, I don't know, but I think having experience having a relationship with foreigner, it's memorable.
Memorable.
I
Okay.
think
Are you
so.
single?
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not. Okay. But let's say you are single. Okay. And if okay, this is just an example. Okay, if a 60-year-old foreigner visits the Philippines and asks you out on a date, would you go?
Yes, na oh my god, can I speak Tagalog?
um okay, let's try. Maybe I can translate. I can.
um Most people kasi saying na parang yung money.
Okay.
No, for respect.
For respect.
Yes. I will yes, makikipag-date ako. Not yung parang magkakaibang relationship. I-date ko siya because of respect kasi many of girls and me, I'm, swerte ba yun na tinanong niya ako na if, if magpapayag ba ako na, i-date siya.
Mhm.
Why not? Kasi maraming girls dyan and I'm so lucky kasi ako yung tinanong niya. Ganon.
Oh.
Ano lang, kumbaga, I'm thankful lang kasi, pero not be a relationship nun, no.
Okay. So she said is if ever someone asks her out on a date, like 60-year-old foreigner, she will go, not because for money, because most of the people here in the Philippines, they are like judgmental, right?
Yes, so
It is
true.
very common, and I'm not saying all, but some. And if some, for some Filipinos, if they saw for an old foreigner with a younger Filipina, they think that it's because of money. But for her, it's for respect. Like not everyone has that kind of chance, And then yeah, she would go. That's a nice answer. Thank you. Okay, how about you? What's your name?
Abigail po.
Abigail. Okay. My aunt, my husband's auntie is Abigail. Her name is Abigail. That's a beautiful name. How old are you?
22.
And what's your course?
Best Econ, Bachelor of Science in Economics.
Oh, the same. Your
course.
classmates.
Yes.
Oh, wow. Both of you must be very smart.
We're not. We're trying.
Speaking English.
Okay. So, the first question is, would you date a foreigner?
Pwedeng Tagalog na lang.
We can try, even if it's wrong grammar, right? She tried. She's good.
I think,
Yes or no?
yeah, maybe no, maybe yes.
Maybe yes. Why?
Because, para makipag, kilala, ganun.
Oh, to know each other.
Yes.
What else?
Mm, naanak ko.
She's shy. This is the typical province girl, very shy. Okay, okay. So, are you single?
Not.
Oh, you're not. Okay, but okay. The same question with her. If a 60-year-old foreigner, okay, visits the Philippines and asks you out on a date, would you go?
Maybe yes.
Maybe yes. Why?
Because, makipagkaibigan and pwedeng makatulong sa how to speak in English. Ganun.
Oh, so what she said is for friendship, and of course it could also help her to how do you say that, like improve her English, her communication, something
Yeah.
like that. Yeah, right.
Yeah,
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Abigail. And it's so difficult to pronounce your name. Do you have nicknames?
Cha.
Cha. Okay, that's pretty good. Cha. Nice to meet you, Cha.
Thank you. Ay, I'm sorry.
Abby,